Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to make this beautiful 3D flower motif piece. Of course I'm using this red yarn and I'm going to be using a 2.5mm crochet hook. I tend to hold my yarn like this and I take my crochet hook and just twist the yarn. Go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and slip stitch into that first space. We're going to do 15 double crochets in the center. That first double crochet always counts as 2. So we've got 2 double crochets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there. What we're going to do now is chain 3 to start round 2. We're going to skip a chain and we're going to double crochet in that space there. Chain 3, skip a stitch, and we're going to double crochet in the next space. Chain 3, you're going to skip the next space, double crochet in the next space, chain 3, same thing, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next space, chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next space, chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, and put our last double crochet in. And now go ahead and chain 3, and we're gonna slip stitch into that first post there, but we're gonna count 3 chains up and slip stitch in there. So 1, 2. So we've now got 8 spaces to work flowers into. We are going to go ahead and chain 3 and slip stitch at the end of that first bar, like that. Chain 3, turn our work around, and you see that little space that we've created. We're going to go ahead and double crochet 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to turn our work back around and we're going to work 4 double crochets into this space here, so that bar. Okay, so I tend to just bend my work like that, fold it in half. So double crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to go back into that space where we first started, and we're gonna just slip stitch. That's our first 3D petal done. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Go to the end of that next post, slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, and we're going to go into this bar here right beneath it and work 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to slip stitch just beneath that completed, just on the side of that completed petal. And that is the pattern all the way around. So chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, and 4 double crochets in that space there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in that first chain space there. Chain 3, slip stitch into that first post there. Chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work back around, and 4 double crochets in that little bar there. 1, 2, 3, 4, finish off with a slip stitch into the first bar, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work back around, 4 double crochet in that bar there. 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into that first post there. In 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, and 4 double crochet in that bar at the bottom there. So 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into that first space. 1, 2, 3. Let's work our last one. Go ahead, slip stitch. That last one can be a little bit tricky because it's hidden away. Chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, and in that last bar there, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final slip stitch into that first space there. And that's the finished piece there. You can go ahead and stuff these little bits here with a bit of cotton to make it more 3D if you wish to, but I hope that tutorial was helpful for you, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.